Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DUST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I mean to state the obvious, but just to set up some context here, a very rough day. The selling actually started on Wednesday. And then remember, the markets were closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving, a little bit of a move upwards. And then today, especially early on, the pressure just continued to push it downwards. So very clearly right now, the bears are making quite the push to the downside. But that's also putting the price at some very interesting areas where I'm not saying they're going to get hit. But if they are, then there are levels that make you go, huh, that's interesting. And that first key level is right down here at $7.30. And then the next level after that would be down there at $7.20. So if anything, maybe the best way to go about it from a simplicity standpoint is just to call this a support zone. The top of the support zone being 730, bottom of the support zone being 720. And the reason this area is important is the last several times the price was down around this area, you can see that some very nice bounces. So from right there, nice little bounce. Right there, a massive bounce. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. If the price does roll back over and comes down to this area, am I saying that for sure, guaranteed, the price is making a bounce back upwards? Nope. Unfortunately, there's no such thing as a guarantee. But is it at least is it at least a rational thought to have? Absolutely. Let's just say that the price had never bounced off those areas before, and then I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like it could bounce off 730 or 720. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? It's never bounced off there before. But in this situation, it actually has. So again, does that make it a guarantee? No. Does that make it at least a valid and a rational thought to have? Absolutely. So in the event the price does roll back over, keep an eye on those areas from the support side of things. If the price just starts to work its way back upwards, then as far as areas of resistance are concerned, keep an eye on that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. That line will continue to move itself lower and lower as next week plays out, so it'll get itself more relevant. But yeah, definitely a very interesting scenario going into next week here. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.